Good morning, student. Welcome to our online classes. So today I am going to take your chapter number 8, comparing quantities. Quantities means what? Kilometer, kilogram. These are the etc. These are our quantities. Okay, rupees. Up a comparison between two quantities. What is comparing quantities? So a comparison between two quantities of the same kind and it the same unit by dividing one by the other is called ratio. Okay, when we are comparing quantity of same unit, okay, and when we are dividing it the one number by the another number, so we are getting ratio. So we can say that ratio is a unitless quantity. Ratio, it's a unitless quantity. Here I have given three form of you. 2 divided by 3. It is division. What is this? It is called division. Form of division. 2 by 3. Fraction. What? Fraction. And that 2 ratio 3. This is sign of a ratio. This sign with this 2 point. This 2 point means ratio. And how to read it? 2 ratio 3 or 2 is 2 3. 2 is 2 3, just like 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Okay, this is how we are going to read the ratio. 3 is to 4. Now ratio in simplest form. So whenever there is a two quantities given, okay, so we have to divide until we are not getting there only one factor 1. Okay, suppose if we are having a number like that, 24 upon 36. Okay, so when you divide it by 2, you will get 12. Here 18. Again you divide by 2, you will get 6 upon 9. Now here you will divide by 3, 2 upon 3. So now here you can see that in the answer 2 upon 3, the 2 and 3, only one factor is common between them, it's 1. Only one number, one factor is common in between 2 and 3, it's your 1. So ratio, when we are talking about the simplest form, so simplest form means the number having only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, so first question, express the, and one more thing, the ratio doesn't have unit. Ratio, it is a unitless quantity. It is important for MCQs. A ratio has no unit. Okay, express the ratio 48 ratio 80 in its simplest form. So ratio equal to what you will write here? 48 upon 80. Now divide it by 2. So you will get here 24 upon 40. Then you will get, again divide by 2, you will get 12 upon 20. Again divide by 12 by 2, you will get 6 upon 10. Now again divide by 2, you will get 3 upon 5. Now here you got the only common factor is 1. Between 3 and 5, the common factor is 1. Okay, so this is your simplest form. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.